Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Matlab version and license to ensure compatibility and access. Open Matlab, then go straight to Add-on Explorer or run the installer from the Home tab. This is where toolboxes are managed. Once logged into your MathWorks account, search for Image Processing Toolbox and select the correct version. Make sure your license shows available seats. If prompted, switch to an administrator account so installation can modify Matlab files. This establishes the safe baseline before downloading the toolbox. Now you download and install. Choose Image Processing Toolbox in Add-on Explorer and click Install or Add. During installation, pay attention to dependencies such as signal processing or computer vision toolboxes. Include them if your workflows require integrated functions. Choose the target Matlab installation folder, confirm license acceptance, and begin the install. Monitor progress in the installer window. Once complete, allow Matlab to restart so the new toolbox integrates into the path. This step actually places functions and updates the Matlab environment. Finish by verifying the toolbox is active. In Matlab, run vir to list installed toolboxes and check version numbers. Then run quick tests like imread on a sample image, imshow to display it, and region props for segmentation outputs. This proves functions are available. If functions error or toolbox not listed, run Matlab, add-ons, install with the downloaded MLTBX or reopen the MathWorks installer to repair the installation. One tip, clear the Matlab path cache using rehash toolbox cache if path seems stale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.